Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to merge two videos in Canva. To merge two videos in Canva, you need to first open Canva. For this, you can continue with your application or the website of Canva. I am going to continue with the website of Canva, so open any web browser available on your PC. Now, go to your search bar, then type in www.canva.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canva. Now, make sure that you are logged in to your Canva account. Now here you can continue with your previous project. I am going to create a new one, so you can directly click on the videos option present on the top. After this, select a template for your videos. Now to merge two videos in Canva, you need to first upload two videos in Canva. If you want to upload your own videos, you can click on Uploads option present on the left, or you can go to Elements on the left side, then click on the search bar present on top, then type in Videos. Now here you can scroll down and you can see Videos option. Click on See All option. Now you can have any videos you want. After this, you can adjust the video by clicking on the arrows present on the corners of the video. Now to add another video, click on plus sign present on the down. With this, you'll be able to add another page. After this, click on Elements again. Then click on the video that you want. Similarly, adjust the video by moving the arrow present on the end of the videos. After you do so, you'll be able to have two videos in your Canva. Canva directly doesn't have the option of merging two videos. But when you click on two arrow icon that is preview on the downside, you'll be able to see that two videos have been merged. Here you can see the two videos have been merged and it is being played simultaneously. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.